My name is David Johnson. I am the owner of BBQ Accessories. I'm going to do a quick rundown to show you what you can expect when you receive your beast shovel, your badass beast spatula in the mail. All right. So first thing you're going to notice when you get it, it's going to have some weight to it. You're going to know you got quality right away. You open your box, you pull everything out of the box. You're going to have your beast spatula in there, and you're also going to have this card, and it's an invitation for you to join our Grill Beast VIP group. We have a it's vip.grillbeast.com. You log in, you become a member of our VIP. It's 100% free. We have over 300 recipes sitting in there. We also have a link to our private Grill Beast VIP Facebook group and all of our other social networks. Okay, VIP means you are first access to our new products. You have access to special deals that other people do not have. All right, so first you throw that aside. And like I said, when you pick this thing up, you are going to know you have quality. It truly, you can tell. Hopefully you can tell just by looking at this video. So I'm hoping I can show you something in this video that you might not be able to see in the pictures, right? So, because it's kind of really hard to convey quality in pictures. Video is usually a little easier. All right, so I'm going to take it back through this way. All right. Now, it is 17 3/4 from tip to tip, bottle opener to the beginning of the spatula. It is solid, one-piece stainless steel all the way from tip to tip also. It also has stainless steel caps on the wood. This is real wood, by the way. It is 4 inches wide. I pick up briskets with this. I pick up pork butts with this. I flip hamburgers. I even flip eggs on this flat top back here with this. I do any kind of flipping with this, all right? I don't know what else to say about it other than it is truly a badass spatula, okay? You are truly gonna love it. It's a lifetime warranty with it. It's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Really, that's it. I don't wanna tie up all your time. You are gonna love your spatula when you get it. And if you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Also, you can call the number at the top of the website here. Have a great day. You're gonna love your spatula.